What is an immune boosting diet? Is it really possible to boost your immunity by consuming something? That is not what the fact seems to be. Your body can fight better and save you from the pathogens which come from outside your body when you eat less food but healthy and nutritious food. Consuming a lot of food or food which can create more toxins either by its own degeneration process or because of its adamancy to leave your body on time, your body accumulates more toxins than the normal. This does not allow your body to prepare itself to fight against any external factor which is going to disturb your health status. The key point is eat less than your full capacity. It is optimal to eat 60 to 70% of your capacity of your stomach, which also means your hunger. If you are very hungry, eat till you just don't feel hungry. Maybe 60% is fine, but don't cross 80, 90, 100%. It is a known fact that people cross 100%. They eat 2 or 3 people's food. That is not at all a right thing if you really want to keep yourself healthy. And when your food consumption is more, the energy goes for the digestion of the food, processing it, eliminating it. Even if it is not required by the body, it has to do all these processes, which is a taxation for the body, and especially during the pandemics. Do you know what it costs? It costs a lot. So please do not do this mistake. And eating too many number of times a day is also wrong. Remember, your stomach has a digestive fire which is controlled by so many factors. It is not just a time and the appetite which decides how much and what you eat. And do not rely upon all these self-claimed immune boosting things, because some may really give you some benefit, but not everything works like that. Please understand, you cannot boost immunity like that. You can only eliminate toxins, which eliminates the unwanted things, and because of that your body responds better. You cannot increase the WBCs in your body by a drink. No. If you know WBCs are taking care of your body's security forces, do you really think you can increase the WBCs by a drink or a meal? And don't even think mineral supplements or vitamins are going to do the same thing. No. They are required for the function. They can't boost something when the toxins are there in the body. Remove toxins, the body will do the works by itself. Remove the toxins, the body knows how to take care of itself. You do not worry about immunity and what to eat for immunity. In fact, you should reduce your food to get better immunity and change your food to a better nutritious quality diet to get better protection in terms of these infections.